Yeah. I'm really close to the heli, though. You want to try distraction play?
Yeah, I guess so. I'm gonna die to... okay, I'm distracting.
What gate are you at?
I'm at the... I don't know.
You're already throwing nades. There's a sniper here, by the way. Wolf sniper up here.
Wolf sniper? Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
one-
well, I'm sprayed
one-
up. I don't think my spray worked. Anyways, I'm sprayed up so that the things can't find me. Liam, every time I spot enemies, it resets my fucking Panther, by the way.
Bot enemies?
Like, yeah.
Are you using that stupid perk
Perk,
setup
yeah.
where you get Panther back instantly? Okay, they're not pushing.
Do I need to be louder?
No. I think I'm good.
No, they're pushing me. They're pushing me. Yeah, they're definitely all over me.
I'm in the heli. Revving up now. It's slow.
I'm disengaging and running into the woods.
There's a Sam here, so I have to keep low.
Alright, I'm leaving towards the woods, okay?
Yeah, you'll have to ping.
I'm in a clearing. There are some dead trees in this clearing, be careful.
Is drone coming? Landing?
Fuck yeah,
Got it.
baby. Alright, I'm in the gunner. Alright.
Is it? Oh, it's the first. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
That was a really helpful distraction, actually. Like, there were people around the helipad looking the wrong way, and I just walked by them, jumped in the very heavily armored helicopter.
Pretty nice.
That island on our left is our target. We should
Okay.
probably land on the south tip.